Hello students, how are you? Welcome to you in your computer class. Here's our chapter 4 MS PowerPoint and our today's topic is parts of MS PowerPoint. So in this topic we will discuss about the main parts of MS PowerPoint. So first one is title bar. So title bar present at top of window. So it is also called thin bar. It is also called thin bar. So it displays applications and file name. So title bar contains minimize button, maximize button and close button. Okay, so other one is file tab. So file tab helps you to check backstage view. It helps you to check backstage view, that is which is the place where you need to come when you want to open or save files or create new document. So third one is quick access toolbar. So quick access toolbar is situated on the left side of the title bar. Okay, so it helps you to perform tasks faster. So fourth one is ribbon. So ribbon helps you to find commands quickly as per your need to complete a task. So ribbon contain tabs and groups. So fifth one is slide. So slide represents a page in a slide show. So sixth one is placeholder. So the dotted rectangle on the slide is called placeholder. Dotted rectangle. So it is used to hold text. Why we use placeholder? It is used to hold text, pictures, charts, objects, etc. And last one is status bar. So status bar displays current slide number. It displays current slide number, view buttons, and spell check, and total number of slides. Total number of slides. So these 7 main parts of MS PowerPoint.